On this car, the front is exactly the same as the rear. It looks like it's just the same 2 bolts here and the brake line on this side with that clip. Then you go up to the top here, right above it, same 2 nuts on the top, same on the other side, and repeat what you did in the back. So I'm just gonna do this. So the front strut basically lines up exactly the same. The rear ones were a little bit shorter, so I tried to fully extend them. This will probably not work out at this height because of the rear being lowered a little bit, but I will find out. I can always adjust the height as needed. So just take a look at a comparison here. Those are blue KYB struts. These are the new Navic Streets. I basically have a full fist of adjustment here. I don't know where I put my little ruler, so I'm gonna measure the American way. A fist. Any unit except the metric system, right? While all this stuff is out, is a good time to take a look at like your ball joints and tie rods and whatnot. So my ball joint looks like it's a bit torn. I don't know if you can see it. So I guess I have a new project coming along the line, but for now I'm just gonna do this. Let me show you a good tip on how to put this clip back on the brake line. Before you put the knuckle on, you put the clip on. So right here, it gives you some free room for this to kind of flop about. And then that way, there's less tension on the line and it allows you to slip this on with nearly no effort. Let me try to do this without blocking it. There it is. Now that you have your brake line reattached, try to attach your knuckle back into the shock. Gotta jiggle it a little bit. Gotta lift up. Do the same on the other side and tighten the bolts up top.